dear friend I sing today, a friend that taught me God's ways. He's always been there for me, yeah, yeah. And in His loving arms He cared for me. Thank you, Lord, for my dad. Pour your blessings on him today. Thank you, Lord, for his life. My father whom I love so much. Example for me, reading the Bible and praying every day. Your words will always be my inspiration, and thanks to you I become who I am. Thank you, Lord, for my your blessings on him today. Thank you, Lord, for his life. My father whom I love so much. Today, oh, 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 oh. Thank you, Lord, for his life. My father whom I love so much. My father whom I love so much. I love you, Dad.
Daddy, happy Father's Day. Sana'y masayang yung Father's Day diyan. Thank you sa pagiging mabuting tatay sa mga bata at mabuting asawa. God bless you and muah-muah, chup-chup. Si Tony ko, happy Father's Day. Ingat.
Ako rin, happy Father's Day, Daddy. Ingat ka lagi dyan.
Hello, happy Father's Day.
Hello, Nagong. Happy Father's Day. I love you. Be a good boy. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil ikaw ang aking napangasawa, ikaw ang naging ama ng aking mga anak. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa pag-ibig mo sa amin at bagamat napakahirap ng ating sitwasyon minsan, nananatili ka pa rin responsable at ginagampanan mo ang iyong tungkulin bilang ama. Maging sa church, bilang pastor, bilang ama, sa spiritual na buhay ng mga kapatiran, batid ko na nais mo na ang bawat isa ay maging maayos ang kanilang relasyon sa Panginoon. At nagpapasalamat din ako kasi bagamat marami tayong pagsubok na pinagdadaanan ngayon, sa tulong ng Panginoon ay nananatili kang matatag. Ang aking encouragement sa iyo, lalo kang maging matatag pa rin sa Panginoon at lalo na yung adhikain mo na maglingkod sa Panginoon no matter what and whatever the trials that we are facing. At salamat and mahal kita, mahal ka namin ang iyong mga anak. And alam ko, in behalf of the FBCI family, mahal ka rin ng bawat isa. Happy Father's Day, Daddy! Again, we love you.